China is building the largest hydropower dam in human history, and it's in Tibet.
Tibet just suffered a 7.1 magnitude earthquake in Dingri on Tuesday. And yesterday, another 5.5 magnitude earthquake struck Golok in eastern Tibet.
These disasters didn't happen in a vacuum. Tibet is already one of the world's most seismically active regions, and since 2000, China has already built or is planning to build 193 megadams, which drastically increases the risk of flash flooding, landslides, and earthquakes.
And the Medog Hydropower Station, which will be the world's largest dam, was just approved for construction on the sacred Yarlung Tsangpo River, which becomes the Brahmaputra downstream.
This is extractive colonialism in action. Xi Jinping brags about China's East-West Power Transmission Project, which aims to build a network of megadams, displacing hundreds of thousands of Tibetans and threatening the water security of billions downstream. China plans to ravage Tibet's land so they can power the factories and skyscrapers of Beijing and Shanghai.
When Tibetans speak out, they face mass arrest, like last February in Dege, when 1,000 Tibetans were arrested for protesting the construction of the Kamtok Dam.
When Tibetans suffer a disaster, like this week in Tingji, the CCP bans Tibetan volunteers and organizations from delivering critical aid.
While the CCP claims they're leading the world's energy revolution, the true cost is paid by the Tibetan people, downstream nations, and ultimately, the world.